Hey, it's Dave Rexroth coming up on 1 o'clock in the morning here, Tuesday morning. Going to give you an update now. The flood advisory that was west of Pontiac through a good chunk of Oakland, Livingston County has been dropped. There was an inch or two of rain there, and things are starting to recover. But this is going to be a problem, I think, into the rush hour on Tuesday morning, especially the early morning rush hour. From Pontiac area through Rochester, Sterling Heights, Mount Clemens, down to Warren, areas like St. Clair Shores, Troy as well. A lot of these areas have had flooding, tremendous amount of problems in the evening hours, late evening hours on Monday around M59, and 2 or 3 feet of water in some areas. So that may still be an issue for the morning commute on Tuesday morning. Just so you know, the flood warning there goes until 5:30 a.m. Flooding rains less and less likely overnight. Temperatures down the upper 60s for lows. 83 on Tuesday. Looks like the best chance of rain will be early in the morning, then decreasing clouds throughout the rest of the day. So much of it dry, but obviously the damage has been done, especially in Macomb County. Wednesday, chance for a shower late, probably not thunder. Same idea on Thursday, chance for some showers here and there, but probably not thunder. And then starting to warm up, 80 Friday, 84 Saturday, 87 Sunday. Right now, Dream Cruise Saturday looks like most of the day will be dry. If there's a shower and thunderstorm chance, there is a slight opportunity. It's probably late toward the evening hours here, or in the evening. So keep that in mind if you want to have some fun on Saturday. Right now, earlier looks a little bit better than later. We'll keep you updated, of course. Our newscast starts at 4:30 on Tuesday morning, give you an update on all the flooding concerns in Macomb and Oakland counties, and update on the forecast, the traffic situation coming up at 4:30. We'll see you then.